So I want to tell you guys about penny stock that I've been keeping an eye out on. I'm not here to pump the stock. I'm just thinking that this is kind of like this could be an investment where you just take a little bit of your money, because it's a penny stock. You don't need to put a ton of money into it. You can put a little bit of money into it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then lock it away and then just follow it, every month to month. No, not month to month, but every earnings report. Just see how the company's growing, how the company's progressing, and make a decision. Hey, do I want to add a little bit more money to this, or just want to leave it alone? But this could be something that could be a 10x return on investment if big money decides to pump it. Because let's be honest, let's just be brutally honest. This company is not. If the stock price moves, it will not be from retail investors, unless, we got Wall Street bets suddenly. Oh, let's pump this penny stock. Okay, yeah, okay, then totally retail can move it. But besides that, unless some big news comes along that gets the market so excited that pumps this thing to $1.50. I've seen it. I've seen stocks that went from 15 cents to like $1.15. If we look from a charting perspective of this stock, this stock was trading at one point at 2 cents. If you bought it at 2 cents, woo, you would have made a lot of money. And then it went all the way up to 30 cents, pulled back to, a low of 16.5 cents. Moving forward, I don't know what the stock price is going to do, but it does look like it's forming an uptrend. I don't know. I really don't know what this would do. This is dangerous stock, because it could go down to 10 cents again. It could go down to 2 cents. But if it was to go down to 2 cents, there needs to be some really negative news. Really negative news for it to go down to 2 cents. There's always possible for it to go down to 2 cents. Anything's possible in the market. Just remember that, That's why, I'm telling you to be really careful. But I really like this company. Why? Because they're in the AI space. They are going to get into the crypto space. They are doing COVID-19 tests right now, which is the biggest money maker. They they're also in the health center, like the health health stuff. Like, they just did a beta launch of their Medicare smartphone health app, where people can go see a doctor on their cell phone and not have to go to the doctor's office. I think that's pretty cool. I don't know if this app will take off or not, but I still think it's pretty cool. And what is the most important factor of this is they're profitable. They're profitable. And just recently too, they also got a contract with Samsung from the Xinhang Financial Group, and they also are selected to be the final round of a 40 million AI contract in Canada. If they win that contract, that could be a big pump to their stock. Just saying, not financial advice. May not happen. They may win the contract and the stock price might not even do anything. Right now, their biggest money maker is their COVID testing, and in the month of between, I think, October to, let's call it like July, there was a big influx of COVID-19 cases, and I'm betting the testing results also skyrocketed. And they also signed a deal with a cruise line company, because cruise lines are required to test before they allow their customers onto the cruise ship. So there's a lot of cruise companies out there, and they could secretly, I don't know if they are, but they could sign up for multiple cruise line companies in the future. But their COVID-19 testing side of the business is their most profitable business right now. And if we look at their financials, it's fantastic. They're making so much money right now. So The total revenue for ending of June 30th was 10.448 million. The direct cost of that revenue was about $5 million, and the gross profit was a total of 5.358 million. Salaries was 551,000. Take all these expenses. You can take out the share-based compensation, which is basically nothing. And then you could take out the depreciation and monetization. This is just a way for a tax write-off. The total expenses would come out to be about $1.3 million. They made a gross profit of 5. That means that they made almost $4 million of profit that quarter. And I think these are like tax write-off stuff, which shows that they made $1 million of net revenue, but in theory they actually made $4 million of profit. If they keep making money, their cash position is gonna grow. Like on December 31st, 2020, their cash position was $2 million, and right now their cash position is $10.55 million. Trade and other receivable net is $7 million. The total current asset is $20 million. And everything at goodwill is garbage. Tangible assets is garbage. These don't count. But so this is the total current asset. And as you can see from their debt, they have no debt. Their total liability is 7. Their cash position is more than the entire liability, which is a sign that the company is not going to go bankrupt. They're not going to go bankrupt. Look at, like, if you look in a 6 months period, the total assets grew from almost $4 million to $20 million. If they keep, pushing out profitability, their total assets is going to grow massively, and one day the total assets could be worth more than the current market cap of the company right now, which is about I believe 63.93 million. So that's all I have to say. I mean, I think this is a safe company. I think the lower the stock price goes, the more of a buying opportunity becomes. That is my opinion only. We'll see what happens moving forward. I'm really looking forward to the next earnings report. I think it's going to be another fantastic one, and I definitely will keep you guys updated on it. Anyways, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. And wow, I almost made this an 8-minute video. That's pretty impressive. I was just planning to make get to my point, and just whatever to think, but whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You want to give me a thumbs up, you can. If you don't want to, you can unsubscribe and thumbs down my video. And have a great day. Bye.